This is 19 March 2003. A blizzard of 203. Got several feet of snow. Got a lot of tree damage. There's one big tree completely bent over. That thing's about 20 feet high. I hope it's not broken, but it don't look too promising. Looking over at the neighbors, their trucks. Trees full of snow. Shoveling the driveway. You can see there's quite a bit of snow there. Here's looking out through the garage to the front. See the neighbors over there having a snow shoveling party. I'd like to walk over there and out there, but it's too deep. There's another tree that broke in half. Used to be a pretty big tree also. A lot of limbs broken on our apple tree out front there. I don't know how we'll ever get out of our driveway here. Haven't checked the mail in 2 days. Looking out the front yard, out the walk, out to the driveway, and it's pretty much covered with snow. Here you can see some of the tree damage. The big elm tree. I hope not too much more comes down. That I've seen since we've been here in Colorado. Some places have had up to 74 inches. We've probably got about 4 feet here. And that's way too much.